Here's a level 22 type question. 4 cards are drawn from a regular deck of 52 cards. What's the probability of drawing the 3 of diamonds, the ace of spades, the 8 of clubs, and the king of hearts in any order? If the cards are drawn with replacement, the order doesn't matter. That makes it a combination. And then the cards are drawn with replacement. This is a combination with replacement, which means the fun formula. N plus R minus 1 factorial over N minus 1 factorial over R factorial. The N is the population of cards, 52 cards. The R is the restriction. We're only looking at 4 cards. 52 plus 4, take away 1, that's 55 factorial. 52 take away 1 is 51 factorial, and over 4 factorial. Handy dandy calculator time. 55 factorial over 51 factorial over 4 factorial, it's giving you 0.99999. That's really 55. 341,055. This is the number of outcomes. Probability is desired outcomes out of total outcomes, which is this. The desired outcomes are 3 ace, 8 king, but in any order. To get them into any order, that is 4 factorial, which is 24. Desired outcomes out of total outcomes is 24 divided by this number. 24 divided by that number is 0.000003, so it's a very unlikely outcome. If I turn that to a percent, multiply by 100, move the decimal place back, is 0.007%, a very, very small percentage. All right, and that's it for combinations with replacement and the probability thereof. Have a good day.